Hello guys, welcome into today's trade breakdown video on the Nasdaq during the London session. It's 27 February 2025 and this trade was taken with the RRC entry model. I post it as every day on my Twitter. I took it on my 20 funded Apex accounts, 3 trade-away accounts. These trade-away accounts are from Tradify, and on my Top Step consistent accounts I also funded. Here I keep like medium risk and I close sometimes a little bit later 1.7 or 2 hour. And on the Apex with 20 accounts you really need just small base hits. I'm risking $100, 120, 30 per trade, going for 150 to $200 profit. Here is the screenshot I make before after we confirm our order block. On the 5 minute I will explain the video. Here is the higher time frame. Here is the calculation with 65% win rate, how you can make in half year $150k with only 20 funded accounts if you risk $150 and take profit around 200. Then go check it out. It's really life changing for people who have problem with FOMO, over trading, over leveraging. Then make sure you will go check that. It's my recent post on the Twitter. Okay, now we can jump into trade breakdown. I will explain also why I entry here, not on the RRC level. We can jump on the replay tool and just go from the start. Okay, as always, 5 minute zoom out, and we can see here is the spike candle from yesterday, and then we have consolidation uptrend, which is only pullback to this area. Okay, because this was no natural pullback, this was the news, and we can see overall we are in massive downtrend. Okay, and every time we make big move down, consolidation with small pullbacks up, and then another move down, and again move down again. And I was expecting now to sharp move down. Okay, then this was the direction, this was the bias. Plus here we didn't sweep the news highs yet, and on the ES we already swept, and we have SMT. I'm not using that so much, but in case of this data, highs and lows, I check it as a confluence which pair is stronger, and it shows us that NQ is weaker than ES. Okay, because ES already take that and was above it. We can see the 5 minute, and look, this is the highs I talking about. Okay, and this is 8:30 on the Nasdaq. We are not even above it, we just made a relative equal highs. Then I was bearish for this. Okay, I was really waiting for a bearish move to happen, and as I always say, order blocks. Okay, on 5 minute, this is order block high, order block low. What is order block? Is the when we have swing high, which is this high. Okay, swing high, the highest candle is order block, but it's validated only when we close candle below it. We have also one here, but it's inside of this one. Then for me it's much better to wait for this to be confirmed. We can see that this one work out really nice also. Okay, swing high, and this is low of that swing high candle, and close below, validate this order block, tap it, and push down. Okay, then this one work also, but I am taking one trade per day. I wait always for the best trade possible. Then here we validate the 5 minute order block. It's on 5 minutes. And now we switch to 30 seconds and we just wait to tap this order block. Here is our tap candle. And as always, you can see in all my videos where I'm training order blocks, I make 50% level. Now, if price reach to 50%, okay, if price reach here, this will be my new tap candle, okay? And then we are looking for the RRC. This will be like my point of interest, the 50% level. Because if this is your top candle and price go up here and the way below your stop loss is so huge, then I'm making like this. If price print the RRC before it top 50% level, here is our RRC, okay? And we can see it get confirmed. Then your stop loss is 50% of the order block. Because like this it will be 30 points, okay? It's nonsense. Like this is half less. And 1.5 is take profit, 1.5 R, okay? And if candle reach 50%, my new RRC is here and it would look like this and stop loss all above the order block. But in this case, this was our top candle, this was our RRC candle. We align with higher time frame direction. And as you know, a lot of time I entry on the RRC level or straight market in. Here first I put my limit order on the RRC, but 90% of the time you can see fast candle pullback, trigger our entry and then go the profit or lose, okay? But here we got like consolidation and we create this imbalance. Then I was deciding to trade off this imbalance. Stop loss I put above this swing high on the 50% level of the order block, something like this. And take profit was this liquidity. This was previous hour candle low. You can see here is 8 o'clock in my time zone. It's the start of the hourly candle and this is the low of that candle. Then theory was this was manipulation and now we go down and close the candle here. Entry was on the imbalance, stop loss here, take profit I go always 1.5 R, this was 1.55, okay. On my TradeFi I close it after these lows got swept, but I said I go a little bit bigger take profit sometimes. And that's it. Now you can see how it now nice plays out. Not even like we have one bullish candle, all of candles were right. This mean we was right in the direction and it was right with the entry, was right with the order block, timing was good, entry was good, higher time frame direction was good. Maybe you are confused, I don't use like our daily levels for the bias, I'm really using just 5 minutes and zoom out. That's all for me. Because when you do this, you see the direction, okay? Ranging and then up, and when you zoom out more, you see every time when we range, go up, sharp move down. Every time up, sharp move down, because we are in overall downtrend, okay? And now look, up, of course we expect sharp move down. We are in the London session where should be volume, then we just adapt to it, find a nice entry, and that's it. And if you have some questions about the RRC entry model, what is top candle, what is RRC, go check first video I ever uploaded on my YouTube channel. In that video I'm explaining RRC to the details. Its strategy breakdown video, I really go through every step to take profit, stop loss, identifying the top candle, RRC candle, explaining them, and all important details you need to know. If you want to know something extra, like you can see on 30 seconds, there is a lot of opportunities per day, really a lot of, okay? Look, this is 5 minute time frame already in London. We sweep 5 minute low. If you go on the 30 seconds, this is top candle, and here is RRC candle. and you can have another trade, yes. Then with this model, you have a lot of trades per day. Every hour we have two, three opportunities, maybe more, but you can see me doing one trade a day. Why? Because it's very simple. When you have a lot of opportunities per day with your model, you are able to choose really the best trade, the best possible trade from the day. And in my opinion, this was the best. We was making extremely move high, then we nicely confirm our order block, okay, with this candle on first attempt. It was no weeks. First attempt confirm order block. This was also on first attempt. Nice reaction. I was not even looking on this fair value gap. And you can see ICT traders 100% got cooked here because this is fair value gap and this is breaker block and this is unicorn trade, okay? And I'm sure a lot of ICT traders trade this trade and they get stop loss hit. ICT is bullshit, guys. Like the concepts like fair value gaps, order blocks, it's he just name it, but it's old concepts. Fair value gaps is imbalances or momentum. It's really old. Order blocks is supply and demand, okay? It's just a zone before price start reverse move. Then don't waste your time watching his videos because he's just yapping so much and he have you will waste a lot of time. You will waste a lot of time. Every year he make new videos, 50 videos, and every video have 1 hour, 2 hours, and you are just wasting your time. Focus on one model, like RRC, for example, but it can be also something else which fits you better. I don't know. Everybody is different, yeah. But focus on one entry model, backtest daily, 2 3 hours, make a live trading journal notes, and you will be profitable till end of the year, 100%. But if you will watching Twitter drama, ICT bullshit, you will be just lost, forever lost in the trading because he cannot trade. He proved it multiple times. Like he blow the Robin's Cub account. He don't need to win, but at least if he keep it, okay, I don't know, 40% profit per year, okay, keep it. But he blow it in few months, in few trades, then he really can trade. And here you can see another ICT concept fail, okay. The RRC is very simple. It's few steps reversal model. I have also the private videos group where I'm explaining my entries to the details, okay. And there is extra confluences. In the videos I explain RRC like the basic, what is heart of RRC. I explain RRC candle, what is the real principle of it. I explain the best days and best time to trade the RRC because from my journal from almost 2 years, I get a lot of data, which day, which time it works the best. I'm sharing it in my private group and you will get also access to the Discord. All informations are in this video. It's pinned post on my Twitter profile, okay? All information in this video, and in the Discord we have around 60 traders and everybody is trading the RRC entry model, which means you will be not confused with multiple entries, multiple models. The guys will trade the same way like you trade, and if you post your chart they can correct you, and it's like really helpful on your way. You will achieve profitability much faster. Here is some reports from my Apex also before. This was like 3 months, 98% win rate on my account, 25k done. I make payout windows during that time. Here is from Tradify, the report for 2 months, also of the payouts. And here is some feedback from my students. RRC is really simple. You identify direction by zooming out, then you identify point of interest which align with the direction, wait for confirmation, and then 2 steps, trap candle and confirm the RRC candle with body close, entry. That's all, 1.5 hour, one trade per day. In my time zone right now it's 10 o'clock EM, which means I am done for the day on all of my accounts and I can chill. That's the huge benefit of 30 seconds time frame, okay? If you stick to 5, 15-minute time frame on entries, your trade duration will be so long, always. And you will sit 2, 4, 5 hours per day on the charts. I see some people sitting behind charts all day. This trade duration was like 55, we got entry, and 9 o'clock was entry, take profit, hit. And it was 5 minutes. With analysis, I was sitting behind computer since 8, then we can say 1 hour, and I'm done on all accounts, which is pretty nice, okay? Then that's all from me. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you want something to go through in the next video, just write me the idea and I will go through it in the next video. And you can also write me message on the Twitter if you have some more deep questions and you want some charts examples and stuff like that.